Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Top Capable with another video, and today we're talking about the accidentally deleted messages on iPhone and how to get the conversations back. I'm gonna show you 6 ways to recover deleted text messages on iPhone, including all texts, photos, and videos in the conversations. We'll start with covering the Messages Conversations recovery in Messages app on iPhone. If your iPhone is running on iOS 16 or later, and you've deleted a message thread by mistake, you can easily get it back by restoring from the recently deleted folder. This temporary storage is similar to that in the Photos app. Here's how. In Messages app, tap Filters in the top left corner. This button may also read Edit. From the menu that appears, tap Show Recently Deleted. Here, you guys will see a list of all conversations deleted within the last 30 days, with the number of days remaining displayed next to each message thread. Alright, select the conversation you want to recover. Then tap Recover at the lower right corner, and choose Recover Messages to restore your deleted conversations. This will get back all texts and media within the conversion, not the individual texts in a conversation. Okay, tap Done in the upper right corner to return to the main messages screen. You should see the deleted messages conversions are back. You guys should note that you can recover the deleted messages 30 days after you erased them. Alright, if your iPhone hasn't been updated to iOS 16 or your deleted messages are no longer in the recently deleted folder, then come to method 2 of using iCloud backups. It's a great way to retrieve text messages you deleted in the Messages app as long as you back up your iPhone regularly to iCloud. Let's see how it works. First, to get deleted texts back, you'll need to make sure that the backup is taken prior to the deletion of the messages. Now, we're gonna check your iCloud backup. On your iPhone, open Settings app. At the top, tap your Apple ID profile. Tap iCloud. And then tap iCloud Backup. Here on the screen, you should see if the time of your last successful backup was before or after you deleted the text conversions on your iPhone. Let's say the iCloud backup predates the time that you lost the conversions. And now, we go ahead to erase your iPhone and use the backup to get the deleted messages back. In Settings app, tap General. Then scroll all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. When prompted, enter your lock screen passcode as well as Apple ID password to confirm that you're sure to erase your iPhone. Remember to not choose Backup your iPhone, or you will lose the previous backup and won't be able to recover your deleted text messages. Alright, folks, your iPhone is resetting itself. When completed, it will restart, requiring you to set it up again. Follow the on-screen instructions to do so. When you come to the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup option. Sign into iCloud with your Apple ID and password to access your iCloud backup containing the deleted messages you want to recover. We proceed to choose the backup that was created before deleting the text messages, and then the restoration begins. Your iPhone is now restoring from iCloud, and you just wait until the process finishes. Okay, right now, it's done. Go to Messages app and check to see if the text messages are recovered on your iPhone. Now, method number 3 is to download messages from iCloud. The premise is that you've enabled Messages in iCloud feature before the text messages got deleted. Open Settings app in your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID profile at the top. Then tap on iCloud. In the Apps using iCloud section, tap Show All. You will then see a list of apps that is syncing with iCloud. Proceed to find Messages option. It's already turned on here. Tap on it. Then turn off the toggle of Sync this iPhone. In the prompt that pops up, choose Disable and download messages. The next step is to go back Messages app to see if you get back the messages. You may need to wait for a while for iCloud downloading the text messages. Go ahead. Method number 4 of recovering deleted messages on an iPhone using an iTunes or Finder backup on your computer. The first requirement, of course, is that you're doing regular backup for your iPhone onto your computer. Plus, the backup should happen before you deleted the messages you meant to keep. Alright, let's see how to restore the deleted texts by restoring an older backup. First of all, we'll need to turn off Find My iPhone. Go to iPhone Settings app. Tap your name at the top. Then tap Find My. Select Find My iPhone and disable it by switching the toggle off. You'll need to enter your Apple ID and password. Okay, we'll show you how to retrieve deleted text messages from an iPhone backup using Finder and iTunes. Whether you're using a Mac or PC, the first thing you need to do is connect the iPhone to your computer you used to back up your device. If you're using a macOS Catalina or later, go ahead to launch Finder. When your iPhone is successfully connected, it should appear under Location section in the sidebar. Click on it. To restore iPhone backup and get back your deleted conversations, click Restore Backup. Then pick a backup that was made before you deleted the text messages from the list. Hit Restore and you're done. In case you're using an older Mac or a Windows PC, launch iTunes. Your connected iPhone should appear as a tiny device icon at the top left corner. Click on it, and you will get to the summary page. Choose Restore Backup. A dialog window will open. Here, select an iPhone backup file by date and size, and then click Restore to restore deleted messages to the Messages app on iPhone. When the recovering process done, all data in the backup including your messages should be rest. There are also chances that you don't want an iPhone backup overwriting any existing data you recently added to your device, as those files are not part of the backup since it was made. If this is your case, try using a software solution called iOS Data Recovery from AppGeeker. It can recover an entire message conversation, or recover a specific message within a thread. Best of all, it won't delete any current data on your device. Alright, you need to download the software first. Simply find the download link from AppGeeker website or in the description below. After installing the tool, open it. To retrieve deleted text messages on your iPhone from a backup on computer, choose Recover from iTunes Backup File tab in the sidebar. As you can see, the software displays any available backup based on name, latest backup date and serial number on the chart. Pick a backup that was created prior to the deletion of the messages. Then click the Start button. Now, the software will start digging deeper in the backup to analyze and finally return you a list of well-organized files on its window. You can click the category on the left pane to preview your files. For example, click on Messages, and you will view your messages you deleted on the iPhone as well as the detailed information, such as name, phone number, as well as the texts. Alright, guys, it's time to extract text messages from the backup. Tick the checkbox next to each message you want to get back, and hit the Recover button. When a dialog box opens, specify a folder to save the recovered text messages and attachments on your computer. Finally, hit the Recover button again to let the software retrieve your deleted texts from iTunes Backup and save locally soon. What if you don't have any backup preserving your text messages? No worries, iOS data recovery software can also help you guys recover those deleted messages from iPhone storage without backup. You just choose Recover from iOS device mode on the main interface of the software. Connect your iPhone to the computer, and the software will do the rest of scanning the phone memory and find deleted text messages that you can recover. If your message is found, choose it and recover it instantly. It's all that simple, and all your data on your device is intact. So that's it for this video, guys. These are 6 ways of recovering deleted text messages on iPhone with or without backup. Hope you enjoyed it, and get back any important conversations you accidentally deleted. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to us. Feel free to leave your comments right below. I'll see you on the next video.